Hi, welcome to Scott Springfield. Scott Springfield manufactures air handling units for custom applications and data center applications. Today I'm going to talk about what Prima Power does for us in terms of equipment manufacturing. The company was founded in 1978 and made HVAC products primarily for hospitals and oil industries in Alberta and BC. Currently, the HVAC products are manufactured in one of the two Calgary-based facilities. One with 120,000 square feet, the main fabrication area, with 145,000 square feet, with a total of 500 employees working in both facilities. In 2021, as we expanded with a second facility, Scott Springfield management made the decision to automate the sheet metal fabrication area. We chose Prima Power PSBB Compact Flexible Manufacturing System. By automating our fabricating line, we quickly increased our capacity and quality. Today, our market share has grown, and we have won high-profile jobs thanks to the technology that we have introduced in our process with the Prima Power equipment. The PSBB provides punching, shearing, buffering, and bending, processing blank sheets into ready bent, precise components automatically. The combo storage allows processing of components from many materials, which can be changed as programmed automatically. We need excellent accuracy and speed when punching multiple panels with many holes. One panel used to take us 40 minutes to drill all the holes. On the Shear Genius, it takes us 2 minutes. Any part that we can automate and still have consistent, reliable dimensions with the same quality, we immediately put it on the PSBB line. The right angle shear is an integral part of the cell and not a separate machine. A wide range of thickness can be sheared, up to 5 millimeters in aluminum, and the shear has a unique system to sort varied parts and scrap. With the punch shear concept, the objective is to provide a machine capable of transforming a full-size sheet into finished parts. Material flow can be arranged in flexible ways to balance the different time requirements of bending and punching shearing, whether loading, buffering, or unloading. The bending operation is also fully automated, from loading flat sheets to unloading of the finished product. The efficiency of the EB allows us to take a job that takes 10 hours on a manual press brake and reduce it to 1 hour on the EBE. We expect this 10-to-1 ratio to rise much higher with additional experience on the machine. We produce hundreds of panels on the EBE and they all come out exactly the same quality. The PSBB line is a centerpiece in the manufacturing process. When customers come and see it in action, they leave happy and satisfied of the quality of product that we're able to get out of the equipment. We also purchased a Prima Power EP Servo-Electric press brake. Compared to conventional brakes, we have gained productivity and reduced cycle times up to 30% are possible. We fabricate some parts that are just punch and shear and then manually bent on the press brake due to the size of the components. The opportunity to enter new markets require much more capacity than we had prior to purchase our PSBB line. The automated Prima Power line allows us to increase our production to meet this challenge and still have additional capacity with just one line. Every finished product that we manufacture is custom and varies in layout and size, up to 150 feet by 44 feet. All those separate processes take a lot of floor space. The PSBB's compact footprint really helped us shrink that down and gave us an area to build more units. The training and service from Prima Power has been great. The technicians are skilled people and they're available when we call them. We get the problem solved quickly and we're up and running again. The automation on the PSB line has allowed us to double our output. In the future, we'll triple our output, allowing us to increase our market share and provide more solutions to our customers.